Hello guys, I am Dipanshu. In this video, we are going to know how to install latest version of PowerShell on Windows 11. So let's begin. Firstly, you have to open Windows PowerShell. So here you find the link. Click Ctrl plus click. It will redirect to your new pop-up window. Here you find this Microsoft window website. Click on MSI package. Then search installation PowerShell using Microsoft from the Microsoft Store. Click on it. A new pop-up window will appear. Here you find this PowerShell direct from Microsoft. Click on get. You directly get installed this on your PC or laptop. Another method for installation PowerShell of latest version. Just click on MSI package. Then PowerShell 7.2.1 Win64. Click on it. It will directly download the file which you needed for installation of PowerShell of latest version. After completion of downloading, click open on it. Then click on next. Then next. Add open. Here contact menu to Explorer. Then click on next. Then next. After that install. Here a new pop-up window will appear. Click on yes. Then it will directly start downloading your files. Here you can see the status. Now launch, click on it, mark, and then finish. Here you get the latest version of PowerShell 7.2.1. I hope this video is helpful for you all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and press subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Take care.